Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the enhanced mode within character consistency. This feature is designed to address the challenges of maintaining consistency when 3 or more characters are involved. When creating comics with 3 or more characters, we've discovered that by enabling the expert mode in character consistency, we can achieve better and more stable consistency for each character. The underlying principle is that, in expert mode, when multiple characters appear in the same panel, LlamaGen ensures better consistency by sequentially adding each character to the panel during generation. This results in a better final outcome. However, keep in mind that when you enable expert mode for character consistency, the system will consume credits according to a tiered structure as the number of characters increases. We've prepared a comic example with a script that includes 4 characters. I've already created them in advance and added them to the comic character list. Then, we copied the pre-prepared scripts for the 4 panels and waited for generation. You'll see that the generated results are excellent. Next, we can switch to a 3D cartoon style and repeat the same process. You'll notice that the results in the 3D cartoon style are still impressive. Hopefully, this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message on our channel, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible.